Latest immigration news. Let's get right into it. What's going on with this immigration bill? The BB, Build Back Better Act, the one that's supposed to be introduced or insert into this budget reconciliation package. Well, we're still waiting for the Senate parliamentarian to let us know whether the language fits the bill. But in the meantime, we're getting some feedback from the Democrats, right? What are they saying? They're saying that if you see this article, Los Angeles Times is saying that Democrats wait overturning Senate parliamentarians' ruling on immigration. So basically what they're telling us is if this woman, if they get a negative response from that Senate parliamentarian, well, pretty much they will overturn her, right? But they need a lot of support because we have Senator Manchin who does not support the idea as usual. So let's get right into this article. Senate Democrats are signaling a new willingness to consider how to get around a potential adverse ruling. Okay, if this Senate parliamentarian comes with a negative response, while they're open to overturn her, which is good. That's what we've been waiting. We want the Democrat to take action to do what is right because this is their last chance. Okay, so when is she going to be ruling? It says that the Senate parliamentarian is expected to rule shortly on whether Democrats' third immigration proposal, which will provide work permits and deportation protection to immigrants in the country illegally, conforms with the Senate rule required to pass the package. We already know that she rejected Plan A, she rejected Plan B, and this Plan C, and we already know it has parole, 5 years parole renewable, so pretty much 10-year parole, work permit, travel document, no waivers for certain crimes, and recapturing unused visa from 1992 up to 2021. As far as parole is concerned, must have been in the U.S. prior to January 1st, 2011. But guess what is happening? So Senator Durbin is really, he's open to it, right? To the idea of overturning her. So he said that he'll vote for that, but he hopes it doesn't come to that. But if it comes to it, he will vote for it. But he's still downplaying it because he believes that the Senate parliamentarian will come up with a good decision. Okay, and then they say that, well, it says that disregarding the parliamentary decision will require at minimum the support of all 48 Senate Democrats and the 2 independent. Okay, so who's responsible for keeping track of Democrats? He's responsible, but he's saying that he's close to getting 50 people to really agree with him in terms of overruling the parliamentarian if she doesn't come with a good decision. My friend, we are still waiting for the parliamentarian to decide on whether the third proposal will be inserted into this Build Back Better Act so that it can pass into this budget reconciliation package. So that's what we're waiting for. So once she actually says something, then we will know that this is it. This is the done deal, and we just have to wait for it to pass the Senate, be signed by the president, and becoming law. So that's where we stand currently. Anytime soon, probably tomorrow, we're gonna wake up and she's gonna decide, or Friday she's gonna decide. So anytime soon we will know for sure. And then Senator Alex Padilla says that, well, whatever it takes to get this thing done, he will do it. Even if it involves overruling the Senate parliamentarian, he will do it. That's what we want. We want people to take actions, okay? Then we have Senator Robert Menendez saying the same thing too. So, well, let's see how it goes. But we know that Senator Manchin does not want to do it. But again, we have it's going to require at least 50 people, 48 from the Democrats and 2 independent. Well, so Senator Durbin saying that he can get that the number in case the parliamentarian reject their third proposal. So let's go again with some of the things that are happening right now with immigration. We're just gonna go over it quickly. Those are just immigration news. The Biden administration reversed Trump era decision on immigration judge union. So basically, the Biden administration is giving the immigration judge a platform, right? The union that they've been bargaining for. So basically, the right to have a union. So, and then we have USCIS releases information on Rosario v. USCIS class action. This is important. I'm going to talk about it. This is about the, if I go here, the class action for the work permit. Remember that the people went to court because of this work permit that was taking a long time to get processed. So, and then the ruling came for people who actually apply in August, so basically August 21st, 2020, if it's your first application for asylum and you happen to be a member of CASA or a member of ASAP, and then you file a I-765 application, and it's taking the time, and to file it really either before August 21, 2020 or prior to August 21st, 2020. So if you file that application, you were supposed to just wait for 30 days. And then they came up with the decision that, well, USCIS can no longer process application within 30 days. Then people have been waiting and waiting and waiting. And now, so now they're saying that, well, if you happen to be a member of that class action, Rosario class action, well, what you need to do is pretty much request USCIS to process your application as soon as possible. So it's based on who you filed the work permit, first time applicant for asylum. Application was made either on August 21st, 2020 or prior to August 21st, 2020. Okay, and you happen to be a member of ASAP or CASA. So those are the contact information that you need to do, and you can submit your inquiry here, you see. And then it really gives you everything that you need to do to get it done. So you can go to the USCIS website as well. You can find that pretty much. I'm going to leave the link, right? You can find it too there. Then we have, what else do we have? Yeah, and then says that immigration detention ombudsman now accepting complaint at certain ICE facilities. If somebody has a complaint about like, let's say, family member being detained in worse conditions, they can file. You can ask them or help them file a complaint. So to know what's really going on over there. You see, and then we have USCIS extend transitional parole for CNMI long-term resident status applicants. So it will do it automatically, right? For people who timely apply for Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. So they'll do it automatically. Well, this is it, right? The main thing is, well, we are still waiting for this Senate parliamentarian to finally decide. And I'm really hoping that she does it this week so we can move on, and so that the Democrats can, so that the Senate can vote and we can get this thing done before Christmas. So that's the hope. But we don't know how it's going to turn out. But let's just wait until the end of this week to know for sure. Okay? This is it for today. Well, please go ahead and share, like, comment below. If you need a consultation with me, my number is 202-751-2180. My number can be found on the basically in the description box below the video. You'll see everything, my email address if you need a consultation fees apply as usual. Well, until next time, bye bye.